for the perimeter involving rectangles and circles, perimeter is the distance around the outside of an object. So these questions are asking us the distance around the dark blue. They've got it outlined in dark blue. They are not including the dotted line. So rectangular paperboard measuring 32 inches long and 21 inches wide has a semicircle cut out of it as shown below. What is the perimeter of the paperboard that remains after the circle is removed? After the semicircle is removed. Okay, so we want this side. I'm going to do the rectangular part first. And 32. Now, if the bottom of that rectangle is 32, so is the top. So I'm going to add those together first because that's the easiest to do. We don't have any decimals yet, so that adds up to 85. Okay, now for the circular part. Okay, it's half of a perimeter of a circle, so it's they should have it here, yeah, semicircle. So to find the perimeter of a semicircle, you do pi times the diameter divided by 2. So they told you to use 3.14 for pi. The diameter is all the way across the circle. The diameter is that dotted line. Now they don't have a number written there. However, it's the same height as the number across from it. So that's going to be 21. And then divided by 2. So when you calculate that, you get 32.97. That's the semicircle. So I take my rectangular part and my semicircle, add that together to get 117.97, and we're talking about inches. So that's the final answer on that one. Okay, this next one, again, I'm just going to do like the straight portions first and then the curved portions. So I have 86 right there. Whenever you get to the dotted lines, you stop. Now, the one above that is also 86. So 86 plus 86 is 172. Now, it's two semicircles. Well, a semi means half. So if you have two half circles, you actually have a complete circle. So if you put these two curved edges together here, this and this combined, you have a complete circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the circumference of a circle, pi times diameter. So pi, they told you to use 3.14. The diameter, I told you before, is a dotted line, so that's 57. And 3.14 times 57 is 178.98. So I'm going to add that to the straight lines, the total of the straight lines. So I've got my straight and I have my curved, and that adds up to 350.98. And we're talking about meters here. The next one, we're building a fence around a rose garden. It's a rectangle and a semicircle. So we have 22, 15, and then this is the same distance as the one underneath it, so that's also 22. So I'm going to add those up, and I'm going to get 59. Now the circular part of it. So it is half of a circle. It is a semicircle. So again, remember, a semicircle is pi times the diameter, but because it's half, you've got to divide by 2. So pi is 3.14. The diameter is the dotted line. They don't technically give you that, but look straight across and you see that the measurement is the same length as that 15 side. So 15 divided by 2, you calculate that and you get 23.55. So you have your straight side plus your curved side for a total of 82.55, and it's feet.